Installing the EzyJamb single rebate door frame. First, check the sizing and jamb details accommodate the opening. Confirm that all relevant hardware accessories are included with the packaged door jamb. Make sure the opening dimensions are correct. Also check that the opening is level and square. Open the packaging to the door jamb and carefully read the installation instructions provided. Measure, mark, and cut out the positioning for the strike plate on the closing side of the opening. If installing RocYork concealed hinges, also create these cutouts now on the hinge side of the opening. Install the head jamb first, simply capping it over the wall material, and fitting the side jambs over the wall by locating the fixing tabs and slotting them into the header. Check again that the jamb is plumb, level, and square on all sides. Make any necessary spacing adjustments and verify that the two vertical sections are evenly spaced at the required distance. Double screw all ends, at corners, and every 200 mm or 8 inches up the jamb. Alternate screwing between side jambs during this process. Also, double screw above and below each hinge. Fit and fasten the strike plate. Where necessary, create the hinge cutouts. Unpackage the hinges to be paired with the EzyJamb. Pre-drill the holes into the door and fix into place using the screws provided. Fit the door into the frame and screw it into place to ensure proper fit and function. Then uninstall the door, ready for the frame to be mudded in. EzyJamb Flush Finish Door Frames.